What's up, guys? You know when you travel and everything goes as planned? Right, me either. Yesterday, our flight from Bordeaux to Split got cancelled after being on the gate for 1 hour. We then booked another one with a layover in Zurich. We were about to take off to Split. We were on the takeoff routine, about to lift off, and the pilot suddenly stopped. Everybody was like, "Oh my God!" He said, "Sorry, we have a problem with the engines." Flight was cancelled. So we have been stuck in Zurich for 24 hours. If you are ever in Zurich for a couple of hours, let me show you what you can do. Alrighty, let's talk about Motel One. Perfectly located in downtown Zurich. And don't get fooled by the name Motel. This 3-star hotel feels more like a 4-star hotel. Staff was great, it's really comfortable, it was really clean, it has an interior foyer for you to relax, and most importantly, they allow you to leave your bags during the day, which is crucial in situations like this one. Okay, let's get some breakfast at Babu's Bakery and Coffee House. We arrived at 7:30, there was a line, but it moved pretty quickly. It took about 20 minutes to get our table. One thing I wanna recommend, make sure you read the menu and you know what you want, because you still need to order at the cashier. So once you sit down, you can quickly get up and order what you want. We got 2 cappuccinos, the bagel, egg and bacon, and the homemade hash browns with egg and bacon. Everything was delicious. And now we're ready to explore downtown Zurich. Start by walking the streets of Zurich. Go through each alley that you can find and get lost in this beautiful city. Then head to the most famous street in Zurich, Bahnhofstrasse, where you're gonna find all the high-end stores.
The name is Bone. Roger, Federal.
Now it's time to visit the 2 famous clock towers in Zurich. First, the Fraumonster Cathedral Clock Tower, absolutely beautiful. And then St. Peter's Church Clock Tower, which is the largest clock face in all Europe. Breathtaking, amazing. Now it's time to eat some chocolate. Now it's time to head down to what is considered by this local that I ran into the most beautiful scenery in Zurich, Limmat River. Alright, we're back at the airport, trying to catch our flight to Split Croatia. Even though it has been a hassle, I'm really glad that we are stuck in Zurich. Even though it's super expensive, it's a beautiful city. So when life gives you lemons, make a freaking lemonade. I'll see you on the next one.